Hello everyone, this is the city of Williams Lake, British Columbia, Canada. I will show you guys the place here. This is just a small town. It's sunny today. Sunny, sunny. We call this actually not a town, a city. But it's just a small city. Yeah, it's sunny today. Sunny. This is good, but although it's sunny, it's quite cold. Still, if there is no sunshine, it will be cold. Mhm. This is the town, city. This is the city of Williams Lake. City of Williams Lake. There's a Royal Bank. The land there is kind of hilly. The main entrance of that is down. And this is the city hall. That building is a city hall. This one used to be a Pyra thing, but they moved it. They built another building. Used to be that is a fire department. It's a good exercise for me. Good exercise. That is the city hall here. That building, city hall, and that is doctor's clinic. And that and there, that is a big the hospital. They're constructing. They're putting an addition. An addition more because lots of patients, not enough room. Hey. Good. How are you? That back, the brown one, that is a apartment building. Apartment building. Hello, hello everyone. I'm showing you guys the town of the city of Williams Lake. City of Williams Lake. Yeah, that's the one. That is the rec center. That is the rec center. Back of rec center. And that white building, that building is a government building. If you want to get your driver license, and on top of that, they have some clinics, trial court. Yeah, this building is our police station, Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Yeah, this building. This is the police department. Yeah, these guys. Yeah, this is our government building here, province of British Columbia. Yeah, that building. It's a government building. That one is a police station. That is apartments. That building is a government building. It's an office actually. Hello everyone. This is another part of the town of Williams Lake. Bye bye.